I am Lyle Galan, a 33-year-old student studying towards a BA degree in education. I am currently at the Taugi Two Oceans Graduate Institute, busy with my first year in the intermediate phase. I love working with children, and it is my dream to one day become a teacher so that I can work abroad and travel the world. Today I'll be speaking about how I use Microsoft PowerPoint to assist me with presenting a lesson. I'll be showing what mediums I use and how I implement it in my presentations as a student teacher. Why do I use it? To write down instructions, to ask short questions in the classroom, to write down homework for the students, for revision purposes, for corrections on tests, for classroom quizzes, and to write down dates for upcoming tests.